Hi class, this is Math 0404 notes on section 3.6, inequalities in word problems. So the instructions say for these examples, write each expression using the given variable and the mathematical notation. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal to. So we're going to use one of those symbols. Label the number line and shape the appropriate side. So it says on number 1, a child must be 5 years or older to attend school in the US. Let X represent the child's age. So in this axis, this whole axis, we're going to label it with the variable X. All these values in here represent the X value, which is the child's age. So let me just put X is the child age. You might be using different variables for any of the others. So this is a child's age, then they're talking about child must be 5 years or older. So they can be 5 years and they can also be older. So I can start, let's say, the 0 anywhere on this number line. So if I have 0 here, I can make this ticker mark a 1, this one a 2, this one a 3, this one a 4, this one a 5. So label the ticker marks so we know if you're counting by 1s, by 2s, by 0.3s. So let us know what your unit of measurement is. And here, if they have to be 5 or older, they can be equal to 5, right? So here the X could be equal to 5 or they could be greater than 5. So this is the greater than or equal to symbol that is written between the X and the 5. So this is the mathematical notation or the inequality. And now the next part is to label that on the number line and shade the appropriate side. So whenever you have a greater than or equal to sign, that's a solid dot on the 5. So I'm going to put a solid dot on the 5. And what am I going to shade? I'm going to shade everything greater than 5. So is that to the left or to the right? That's correct. That's everything to the right. So I'm going to shade everything to the right. And I'm going to put an arrow showing that it just continues. So all of this should be the solution, or all the points that represent the child's age, right? They must be 5 or older to attend this US school. So you would do the same thing for example 2, 3, and 4. And for example 5, now we have 2 different variables instead of just 1. So in example 5, it says the average age of actresses when they win an acting award is different than the average age of actors when they win an acting award. So let mu1 represent the average age for actresses and mu2 represent the average age for actors. So we're comparing these two in the sentence above. They say that the average age of actresses, what variable is that? Mu1 or mu2? That's correct, mu1 is different than the average age of actors. So what variable is that? Mu2. So what's the comparison or inequality symbol between mu1 and mu2? They're telling you that it's different. So what's different? That means that it's not equal to. So this is how you would write that inequality there, okay? Not equal to. So try that with example 6. Find that phrase in the sentence to tell you what symbol, math notation to use. All right, so moving on to the 3.7 in the next video. You might have to finish the other examples and upload those for your instructor.